Oh my. Oh. Ah! Ah! Gordon Freeman, you finally found us, but you've come this far. I'm afraid to move him and all our phones are out. Please, get to the surface as soon as you can and let someone know we're stranded down here. You'll need me to activate the retinal scanners. I'm sure the rest of the science team will gladly help you. If you can make it through the rocket test labs, if you can figure a way past that gargantua on the landing field, you might be able to worm your way through the old tunnels to track down whatever's left of the Lambda team. I'm expecting an important message. Gordon, we have complete confidence in you. How interesting. Just look at that. Hurry up, Freeman! Hello, Freeman. I'm up here. I've got to get out of here. No. I've got to get out of here! I'm afraid to move him and all our phones are out. Please, get to the surface as soon as you can and let someone know we're stranded down here. You'll need me to activate the retinal scanners. I'm sure the rest of the science team will gladly help you.
Freeman. Come in, Freeman.
Gordon, you're alive.
Roger that.
Thank God for that hazard suit. Who would have thought you'd still be alive?
Somewhere in our fifth dimension. They say our ass.
Okay.
Fire up illegal quantum vapor uppers.
Well, I think it's rather stimulating. Have you ever seen anything like this? Any ideas on the origin of that new sample?
Someone has used a super cool, superconducting, superquantum computer to access an advanced, complex fifth-dimensional system within our 3D environment.
Well, another important species is responsible. Nature made them. We were only studying them. You can trust them. You can trust all of us. Good luck.
Dimensional communication acknowledged across computer internet service systems.
You know as much about these creatures as anyone. Are you seriously suggesting that all of these beings are here? Theoretically. Let's try this. We suspect there is an immense portal over there, created by the intense concentration of a single powerful being. You will know it when you see it.
Open communication code.
Let's try this.
Test portal coded.
All right, I can open the portal now. The process is complicated, and once it's begun, I must not be interrupted, or I will have to start all over again. Don't enter the beam until I give the okay. Understood? I will begin. This analysis is going to run perfectly today, don't you think? I am rather looking forward to this analysis, aren't you? I believe this will make for a notable paper, don't you?
Advanced quantum field access acquired.
I must remember to report that fluctuation. This should shake up those grand unification boys,